In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Workspace Admin Console. 5 minutes. If you manage your organization's Google accounts, this is the control center you'll use for users, billing, security, and more. Before we start, make sure you have an administrator account for your company's domain. A regular personal Gmail address won't have access. Open your preferred browser and go to admin.google.com. This is the direct entry point to the Google Admin Console. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you can get back to it quickly in the future. On the sign-in screen, enter your administrator username and password. This should be your work account associated with your organization's domain. After you enter your credentials, you may be prompted for two-step verification if it's enabled on your account. That's normal and helps keep your domain secure. If you don't remember your password, use your organization's recovery process or contact a higher level admin. If your browser is currently signed into a personal Google account, Google may try to use that session. To make sure you're logging in with your admin identity, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. This opens the account switcher, which lets you move between accounts without signing out everywhere. From the account menu, select Add Account, then sign in with your administrator credentials. This keeps your personal and work access separate and helps avoid permission errors. A helpful tip: consider using separate browser profiles or clearly labeling your accounts so you always know which one you're using. Once your login is successful, you'll land on the Admin Console home dashboard. This page provides a high-level overview of your domain. You'll see quick links to core areas like user management, billing, and security settings. Use the search bar at the top to jump directly to tasks such as adding a user, resetting a password, or reviewing a security alert. The homepage tiles can also take you to Common Actions, and the left-hand navigation organizes key sections like directory, devices, apps, billing, and account settings. If you're new, start by exploring the users area to confirm who has access, then review security to check sign-in protections and admin roles. Be cautious with security and role settings. Changes here affect your entire organization. When you're done, consider signing out of the admin account if you're on a shared device. That's it. You now know how to access the Google Workspace Admin Console, switch to the right account, and recognize the main dashboard you'll use to manage your organization.